Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you've been looking for great sounding wireless over-ear earbuds without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best wireless over-ear buds under $50, carefully picked for their sound quality, comfort, battery life, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Rulefiss IPX7 Earbuds. Looking for earbuds that punch above their price? The Rulefiss IPX7 earbuds deliver impressive audio through their 360-degree surround hi-fi stereo sound system. The AAC/SBC decoder, paired with a 14.2mm composite diaphragm, creates a wide audio frequency response, making music feel spacious and vocals sound crystal clear. Bass hits with enough depth to keep your workout playlists energizing without overwhelming mids or highs. Call quality stands out thanks to 4 built-in microphones working alongside NC noise reduction technology. Background noise gets filtered out effectively, so your voice comes through clearly even in noisy gyms or busy streets. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 platform provides rock-solid connections with faster transmission speeds, reducing those annoying dropouts or lag when streaming videos outdoors. Battery life genuinely impresses, 6 to 8 hours per charge, extending to 60 hours total with the 800 mAh LED display charging case. That display shows exact battery levels, eliminating guesswork about when to recharge. Number 2. Hupoaf 50H Earbuds. Need earbuds that won't quit during your toughest workouts? The Hupoaf 50H earbuds combine powerful audio with a design built specifically for high-intensity activity. The sound profile emphasizes deep bass and crisp highs, perfect for keeping energy up during runs or gym sessions when you need motivating beats pushing you forward. NC noise-canceling microphones handle calls smoothly by cutting background noise, which matters when taking calls between sets or while commuting. The ultra-stable ergonomic earhook design deserves special attention. It's shaped to grip securely during running, jumping, or any movement-heavy exercise. Soft silicone materials prevent discomfort even after hours of continuous wear. Bluetooth 5.4 pairing happens quickly and maintains consistent connectivity without random signal drops. These earbuds work across iOS, Android, Windows, tablets, and laptops seamlessly, so switching between devices never becomes a hassle. Number 3. BEVCEFCC On Ear Buds. Tired of earbuds jamming into your ear canal? The BEVCEFCC On Ear Buds take a different approach with their clip-on, open-ear design. They gently wrap around your outer ear, providing security and comfort while keeping you aware of surrounding sounds. This makes them ideal for walking in traffic, office environments, or casual listening when complete isolation isn't wanted. The lightweight frame, paired with soft pads, prevents discomfort during extended wear. Battery life offers up to 15 hours continuously on one charge, with full recharge taking about 2 hours, practical for daily use without frequent charging interruptions. Bluetooth 5.3 maintains stable wireless connections within roughly 10 meters in open spaces, ensuring smooth audio streaming without constant disconnects. The earhook design keeps them secure during light activities, while IPX5 water resistance protects against sweat or minor splashes. Number 4. Rulefiss 60H Earbuds. Want powerful audio with marathon battery performance? The Rulefiss 60H earbuds pack serious value at budget pricing. Their 360-degree hi-fi stereo sound system uses the same AAC/SBC decoder and 14.2mm composite diaphragm found in premium Rulefiss models, enhancing audio clarity across the frequency spectrum. Music sounds lively with distinct vocals and layered instrumental details coming through clearly. NCE noise reduction combined with 4 microphones maintains call clarity even in chaotic environments. Bluetooth 5.4 technology improves connection stability significantly, reduces signal interference, and delivers faster transmission, especially noticeable with modern smartphones and tablets. This also achieves low latency performance, useful for watching videos or casual mobile gaming without annoying audio delays. Battery life becomes a major selling point here, 6 to 8 hours per charge, extending to 60 hours total with the compact charging case. Number 5. TRAUSI IPX7 Earbuds. Need reliable earbuds handling daily tasks smoothly? The TRAUSI IPX7 earbuds deliver clean audio, dependable connectivity, and comfortable all-day wear. Using Bluetooth 5.4 with true wireless stereo technology, they produce sharp sound with balanced detail across music, podcasts, and calls. The built-in noise-canceling microphone filters background noise effectively, keeping conversations clear even in crowded spaces. Pairing happens almost instantly. Removing them from the charging case automatically powers them on and connects to your device without manual button pressing. They support multiple Bluetooth protocols, working seamlessly with Android, iOS, and Windows devices, while maintaining stable signals up to 15 meters in open environments. Low latency audio makes these earbuds practical for video watching or gaming when audio sync matters. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best wireless over-ear buds under $50. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.